Hello guys. So for today, I'm gonna try to, today's time check is like almost 2 p.m. And I remember that I need to really, as like what my father told me, I need to check my dried fish, guys. So time to do it. I am using a bamboo ladder because I had a hard time climbing it yesterday because I only used the chair. Now it's easier for me. I'm using the bamboo ladder. Janella, help me, Janella. Check my wow. Shh, too much flies. My goodness. Oh my goodness. But this is normal. It's really like this. When you do drying fish, you have to always understand there is always this one. So let's try. Ah, let's try to check this. Ha? Pagita lagi. Hawa Faith, hawa Faith. No, no. Faith no. Faith no. Hawa dia Faith makakuha si Faith nila kay magbungko. My goodness. My daughter is also climbing. Kuha si Faith. Faith no. No Faith. Kuha ba? Oh my God. I need a very hot weather for this. Too much flies, but it's okay. That's a vitamins, guys. Without flies, it's not yummy at all. Okay. I need more days for this. I need more days to dry. Okay. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's all for now. Ah, my goodness. I am so thirsty. I want some coconut water for the moment. I am very thirsty. I'm so thirsty, guys. I have to go down now. I need to always check this from time to time because if I will not check, then it's so like I'm scared that maybe the cats will go there in the roof, from there in the roof, and will jump here, and the cat will eat all of this. So this is my routine if I make a dried fish. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Bye bye. Oh my God, 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 I don't know how to go down. Ah! Oh my God, my goodness. Check! There is already a doggy from the neighbor. Do you want to eat my dried fish? Shh. Hi guys, I'm here. I'm here in a very risky position now. How about Janela? Janela! I think I need 1 more hour for this, and I'm gonna 1 more hour, and I'm gonna keep this in the food container, and by tomorrow I will dry it again. Now we still have the sun, so it's okay. The sun is still shining. I hope it will dry because it's been like, I think it's been 3 days now that we're doing this. Oh my God. Oh! To go down. Sit. I'm so tired, guys. Trying to watch my dried fish so we can have food to eat. It's not easy. We've been waiting 3 days now because I need to do it. Like I need to dry this because we cannot afford the dried fish in the market. In the market, the 1 kilo of that for the dried fish is around 600 to 700. 1 kilo. But you know, if you make the if you make the dried fish your own, you just have to buy 1 kilo. For that is only 150, sometimes 150. So it's more cheaper if you make your own dried fish. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Today is Saturday. Have a nice Saturday, world. Bye.